Did you know you can actually use AI to make an infographic for your business, one for your employees to help them follow certain process or procedures, or to even pass on information to your customers? Today, I'm going to try to make one, and this is the first time using NotebookLM, and I'm going to make one basically on an introduction that we actually give my customers when they come in the store. First thing we tell them is that we sell our popcorn in 3 different categories. We have a savory category that actually includes your cheesy, salty, spicy types of popcorn. We have a sweet category that includes your caramel and your candy coated flavors. And we have a premium category that includes popcorn that has chocolate, nuts, or other special ingredients in it. Now, we actually have 4 bag sizes. We have a snack, small, medium, and large that we sell in. And your price is all dependent on what bag size you get and what category that you actually are buying popcorn in. Let's see if we can make an infographic that our customers can get all this information just in one picture. And we're going to use NotebookLM to do that. First, let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Sam, a small business owner of a gourmet popcorn store and the unofficial tech support guy for my business buddies. I make videos for small business owners who are curious on how AI can help them in their business, even if they don't think it can. So I just created a blank notebook and I've already typed down what I told you previously, and I'm going to cut and paste this as a source inside of this NotebookLM. So we go to copy. And that's basically everything we said, and I'll go ahead and insert it. Now, one thing that NotebookLM does is it'll take your source and it'll kind of summarize it. So first, without doing any special instructions, I'm going to just hit the infograph button and let's see what we get. After about 5, 6, 7 minutes, NotebookLM did come back with an infograph. And right now, looking at it, it actually looks pretty good, but I can tell you right away that the categories are wrong. It actually has a savory and sweet variety, premium special blend, and signature flavors. That's not the categories at all. And I do like the way that they actually show the bag sizes and the little chart. I do like that. But just in general, this is not right. And it's probably because I didn't actually give it instructions to actually follow. So let's actually go back and have some instructions for NotebookLM to actually assist it in making the infographic. So I'm going to just put in here to tell it to create an infographic that will tell my customers how our popcorn sold. The infographic will show 3 categories, and I put savory in quotes, sweet in quotes, and premium in quotes, along with the bag size and the cost table. Now I'll put the categories in quotes. Hopefully this is enough to let NotebookLM know that these are the 3 categories that you should only be using. So let's see what we come back with. Okay, after some time, let's go ahead and see what our results are. All right, so this one looking real quick, the categories are right. We actually got a savory with a quick salty and spicy. We got sweet, which is caramel and candy. And then we got premium, which is special blends. The description of both of them under it, they look actually pretty good. They actually have the bag sizes, and the category is priced based on pricing. Now, I did like in the first graphic that it kind of showed the table, because that's actually what we kind of display in the store. This right here is actually a great infographic that I can actually use in the store. And it was pretty simple. Now that it seems like I'm getting the hang of it, I'm going to actually give a little bit more detail of what I'm really looking for this infographic. And let's see how we can come really close to a final product that I got in my head that I think we should be using. So after actually going back and forth with LM Notebook or Gemini, whichever one's saying, I think I got it down to what I actually need. But this time I'll do something different. Instead of just hitting the infograph button like I did before, I noticed I can actually go in here and I'm going to cut and paste in there because some of the other charts was not doing the color scheme that I wanted. So I think even though I've been typing in stuff, I think it still was just only using the source. So I'm gonna try it this way and see what I come out with. So I just hit it and let's see what we get. All right, so it's finished. Let's see what we have. Okay, so let's see. We got popcorn menu and pricing guide, 3-step ordering process. Select your favorite profile, choose your bag size, and see how choice determines your final price. I actually like that. So we actually got here, we got the different categories. We got savory, sweet, and premium. Actually, two, it actually shows the bag size, snack, all the way up to a large, and pricing tier. Final price is determined by both your choosing size and flavor category. So we got $1 sign, $2 sign, three, then two, three. Okay, I like it that it increased more. Now, I'm not gonna lie that premium with a bunch of dollar signs, it might scare some people, make it think it's really, really expensive, but I guess they'll get it. So this is actually perfect. I can use this infographic as is right now. I can actually post it on my website, social media sites, and actually make a poster and put it inside the store so my customers automatically know how our popcorn is sold without me actually having to say much. And just think of how much time that can actually save you and your employees. So that's just one example of how you can use an infographic in my business, but how can you use it in yours? I'm actually excited to actually make an infographic or a couple of infographs on some of the process and procedures that my employees have to use while at work. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of how you can actually use infographics for your business to give customers information and your employees. And if you want additional ideas, check out this video right here. Here is in one of these spots.